Wire organizing self-bundling ties, secure large cords and bulky cables with ease. Get organized fast with these simple-to-use, self-fastening thin ties that will contain and store cords and wires quickly and safely. Wire and cord management. These bundling ties are ideal fasteners for cord organization, wire management, and securing loose or extra long cords out of the way. Strong and reusable. Strong, trusted, and used by data and network centers across the globe, these fasteners can be reused and repositioned when arranging computer, appliance, and electronic wires. Pre-cut and easy to use. These pre-cut ties stay firmly in place with an easy-to-use slotted head. Simply insert the rounded end through the hole and pull the strap tight. It firmly wraps onto itself for a secure hold. Indoor or outdoor use. With multi-use options for the home, shed, garage or office, these thin ties can safely be used indoors or outdoors for your organizing and storage needs. Keep drawers and supplies organized, ideal for indoor or outdoor use in the home, shed, garage, dorm or office. These ties are ideal to organize drawers and tool chests, desks, or cabinets. Keeps pens, pencils, brushes, and markers neat and tidy. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Love how thin it is and how well it holds.